In this tutorial I will show you how to update the progress of the project from Excel to P6. Normally we will update the progress from Primavera itself. But it is a lengthy process and take a long time to complete. By using this method we can easily update the project and save a lot of time. First we want to export the file from P6 to Excel. Go to menu bar. Click on File. Select Export option. A window pop-up. Select Spreadsheet format. Click Next. Select Activities. Click Next. Tick on Export box. Click Next. Click on Add. Here we want to create a new template. Give a name to template. We want to bring 3 additional columns for updating our data. Actual start, actual finish, and activity % complete. Click Next. Save the file in your desired location. Click Next. Finally click Finish button. A dialog box appears as the export is successful. Close the window. Now we want to update our data in Excel sheet. Open our Excel sheet from the saved location. Here we want to update only activity status, actual start, actual finish, and activity % complete columns, which I marked in yellow color. This is the latest updated data of our project which we want to import back to our Excel sheet. First we are going to change activity status. Go to the latest data sheet and copy the status from there and paste it in our importing Excel sheet. Delete not started activities. Now we are going to update actual start column by using VLOOKUP, which is very familiar to everyone. Use the formula like this. Is equal to VLOOKUP. Select first activity ID, comma. Go to our latest updated Excel sheet. Select from first activity ID to the column you need to get information. Here up to actual start, comma. Column index number is 6, comma. 0. Close. Enter. Now scroll down for getting remaining values. Change the values to date format. Similarly use VLOOKUP formula for actual finish. This method is very useful when we need to update hundreds of activities. Now we want to change activity % complete. Copy paste data. After pasting data we want to change the values into text format. Go to data. Select text to columns. Select delimited. Select comma. Select text. Click OK. Now we can see green mark near to the values showing that it is in text format. Now save the file. Open a P6 project. Click on File. Select Import. Click on Spreadsheet. Click Next. Select the file to import. Click Next. Select Activities. Click Next. Import back to our current project. Click Next. Click Finish. A dialog box appears as your import is successful. Now we want to schedule our project. Click on F9. Select our data date. Schedule it. This is how we import and export project progress from Excel to Primavera. Okay guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for further more videos. Have a good day.